Ever wondered about the charming urban avenger, the house sparrow? From bustling city streets to serene gardens, these adaptable birds are a common sight. Meet Passer domesticus, with males flaunting bold plumage and females sporting subtler tones. Watch as they forage, preen, and socialize in large flocks. Their diet? Seeds, insects, and even human scraps. Witness their nesting prowess in urban nooks and witness their resilience in the face of urban challenges. Despite their widespread presence, house sparrows face threats like habitat loss. Join the conservation efforts and celebrate these feathered friends in your local area. Discover the cultural significance of these birds in art and literature. House sparrows, a fascinating blend of survival and symbolism.